A very good morning, class 5th. Today I will explain chapter number 4, MS Word, Formatting Toolbar. Do you know that what is a toolbar? Yes, it arranges the layout and style of text in the document. A toolbar given in your book, you can see also. Font. Font is a set of letters, numbers, special characters or symbols that contain the same typeface, size and design. To apply character formatting, some of the steps are: Step 1. Select the text to be formatted. Then select Format Font. Then select the font dialog box will appear. The default font is Times New Roman. Default means the settings which are predefined in a software package. Select the appropriate font from the font type box, or the font of text can be changed by using the font button or formatting toolbar. To change the font, follow some steps. That is, first step is select the text, click the arrow to the right of the font name box, then use the scroll bar to select a different font, then click the font to select it. What are font size? Word display the current font size on the formatting toolbar. To change the font size, do the following. Step 1. Select the text, select format font, then the font dialogs will appear. Then in the font size box, select the size for text. Font size means the height of character in the text. Font size is measured in units called points. 1 point measure 1 by 72 of an inch. You can also change the font size using the button or formatting toolbar. For the follow the given step. First step is select the text, click the arrow to the right of font size box. From the font size, let's select a new value. Font attributes. Font attribute means the features of font. To change font attribute, make use of the button bold, italics, underline on formatting toolbar. To apply bold, italic or underlining, follow the steps. Select the text, click the bold, italic or underline buttons on formatting toolbar. Some of the shortcuts to use: for bold, Ctrl plus B; for italic, Ctrl plus I; for underline, Ctrl plus U. Font color. To change the color of your text, use font color button on formatting toolbar. To change the font color, do the following steps. First step is select the text. Second step, click the arrow next to font color button on formatting toolbar. Step 3, Word display the color palette. Step 4, select the color and MS Word changes the color to the selected color. Font dialog box. Though the easiest way of formatting is using various buttons on formatting toolbar, we have already seen how to use and change font and font color from font dialog box. Let's study some more features that it provides. Font style box would change the font style to italic, bold or bold italic according to your action. Underline style, it helps you to underline from drop down list. Choose an underlining style. Font color, it will help you to change the color of the text using drop down list. Select a new color. To select special effect like strike through, superscript, subscript, shadow, engrave, select the appropriate checkbox. Under effects in font dialog box, the preview button box at the bottom of the dialog box help you to view a sample of how text will appear according to your various selection. After you have made all the selection in the font dialog box, click OK. The shortcut is select text and press Ctrl D to open font dialog box. Margin guideline. Margins guide you where exactly in a page you can type. Text margin are measured from the edge of the page. Left margin, it is the distance between the left edge of the page and the text. Right margin, it is the distance between the right edge of the page and the text. Text is typed between left margin and right margin. Ruler. Ruler tells you the width of current page, left and right margin, and set at tab, stop, indents if any. What is aligning the text? Aligning text means arranging the text within a column. Word allows you to align according to left margin or right margin, centered in the column, or aligned to both left and right margins. The default alignment for your text is left. Justified as you start typing in a new document, all the text begins at the left margin and moves to the right while you type. Align left, it aligns the selected text to the left with a right edge. Align right, it aligns the selected text to the right with a ragged left edge. Center. The text is centered between the left and right margin of the page. Justify. The text is aligned at both left and right margin. Two shortcuts are: to left align the text, Ctrl plus L; to right align the text, Ctrl plus R; to center align text, Ctrl E; to justify the text, Ctrl J. Numbered list. To number the point or items in your document, you can use a numbered list. To create a numbered list, do the following steps. First step is position the insertion point from where you want to begin the numbered list in your document. Second, select format, bullet and numbering. Third, the bullet and numbering dialog box appear. Fourth, select the numbered tab. Fifth, on numbered tab, click the style box for a particular style that you want to use for the number to list your item. Then step 6 is click OK. Bulleted list. A bullet is a symbol to add importance to a list of point or items in a document. Step 1. How to create a numbered bulleted list. The step 1 is position the insertion point where you want to begin the bulleted list in your document. Select format, bullets and numbering. The bullets and numbering dialog box appear. Select the bulleted tab, click the style box for a particular style of bullet that you want to use in the list. Then click OK. Highlight. You highlight the text to draw your attention towards it. Highlighted text has a colored box around it. You can choose the color of the highlighter to highlight the text. Follow the step. Click the highlight button on the formatting toolbar. Second step is select the text you wish to highlight. The selected text get highlighted. You can also change the color of the highlighted text in your document. Some of these steps are: click the arrow on the right side of highlighted button. The drop down list of color will appear. Select the new color. Select the text you want to highlight with the new color. To turn off highlight, press escape key on the keyboard. Hope you all have understood this chapter. Try to read this chapter from your book onwards. Thank you very much.